Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. This is Nifty on a daily time frame, and these are the lines we drew yesterday or on the last trading day. It had been a long weekend. So as you can see, Nifty is taking support at this level and has made a lower high, so it doesn't look good for the bulls. As usual, let's go and delete all the lines that we drew previously, start afresh, starting with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, the bias is bullish. Why is it bullish? Because it had previously made a higher low. A higher low means when the bears tried to sell Nifty off, bulls raised the bar and created a new base for Nifty that's much higher than the previous high. And that's much higher than the previous low. I'm sorry. So important levels are previous ATH. I'll mark it in red. Previous swing high, I'm marking it in green. Why am I marking it in green? Because it's a monthly level, and there's every possibility that even on the last day of the month, the whole candle could be bought back and closed well above this. So we wait for the monthly close before we take this off. So, and the next level is the most important monthly level that needs to be protected, should not be touched. That's 24,337. That's the previous swing low. That's it on a monthly level. On a weekly level, as you can see, the bias is still not sure because Nifty hasn't made a lower high or a higher low. So these are the markers that I look at to create a bias. None of these have been created, so I am still waiting. We'll have to wait for Nifty to create one of these. There's an important level, interesting level here right now that I am aware of. That is, this particular red candle was an order block, and the midpoint of that order block is approximately 950. Nifty has 24,950. Nifty has taken support at that level. So this is an important level to watch out for. And this weekly candle had been a flat top. So that could act as a resistance if Nifty decides to go back up for attempting one last buyback. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is bearish. Why is it bearish? It has constantly created lower highs, and that's a sign of bearishness. Bias is bearish. So the next important target for Nifty on a daily time frame is this low. Let me just reduce the thickness of this line with this low. Is this a major low? Yes, it is a major low. So why is it a major low? What was I evaluating here? A major low means there is a higher low to the right of it, that's here. There's higher low, and there's a higher low to the left of it. So this is the next target for Nifty. If Nifty decides to break down, that's 24,587. So approximately 24,590. That is the next target for Nifty. Important one. I'll just add an alert there. So if I decide to take a bearish trade, then this is the target for it. And now going over to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is bearish. Why is it bearish? Because Nifty is creating lower highs, and as you can see here, there are two flat tops that were created. So big sellers, big sellers here. I'm just marking one flat top and the other flat top. Why have I marked both of them? Just in case Nifty opens above one flat top and then there's another flat top to watch out for. And what are the next targets to look out for? Targets are similar on the daily time frame. So that's it. Now going over to the hourly time frame. Interestingly, the hourly time frame was not sure previously, but hourly time frame has become bearish. This is a swing high and this is the next swing high. So hourly time frame has also become bearish. So Nifty is mega bearish. Any trades to look for? If Nifty opens anywhere in this level and this high needs to be protected, and it just falls down to this level. So I'll look for a bearish trade from the open. That's it. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst, and everything I show and say here is only for educational purpose. Thank you.